This video will cover the emergency activation. This function applies to the Motorola APX 4000, 6000, and 8000 portable radios. Disclaimer: for demonstration purposes, the dedicated emergency talk group has been modified to not alert in dispatch. The emergency button press time has been customized per discipline in the local area. For law enforcement, a short press activation is 250 milliseconds. The long press emergency cancel is 1.25 seconds. For fire, the short press activation is 1 second. The long press emergency cancel activation is for 2 seconds. For activation, depress the orange button until the user hears the side tone. The display on the sending radio notes an acknowledgement is received. Note the mic was hot on the emergency channel or talk group for approximately 10 seconds. Note this time is programmable. For deactivation, either cycle power on the radio, which is not the preferred solution, or use a long press on the orange button until the side tone is generated. This concludes the video covering emergency activation overview on Motorola APX radios.